4 quick and clever tips to handle regret. Regret and the emotions that come along with it can eat you alive if you let them. Furthermore, regret can cause you to treat others and allow others to treat you in a way that you wouldn't otherwise allow. This is no way to live. Regret can seem all-consuming and something you will live with forever. Work through the 4 tips below to release these harmful emotions and move on. 1. Burn it down. This isn't referring to the patriarchy. Write down every single emotion, the regret, the hurt, the anger, the sadness, and why you feel it. Then, burn or shred these pieces of paper. Releasing the emotions from you will allow you to close the loop that has most likely been running in your brain and physically step away from that cycle. This step probably seems the silliest, but you will be surprised by how freeing it actually is. 2. Apologize. Once. Apologize to anyone that you may have hurt while wallowing in your regret if you haven't apologized yet. Then apologize to yourself. Now, stop asking for forgiveness. It's time to let go and know you've made amends where necessary. You cannot spend the rest of your life apologizing, nor do you deserve to live like that. 3. Then say no. After you're done apologizing, you need to tell yourself and others, no. When regret comes pushing at your psyche in the wee hours of the night, tell it no. When someone tries to lull you in, reminding you of your regret, tell that person no. You do not have to give in to those thoughts or pressures, no matter who they come from. You have done your apologizing, and it's time to move on. 4. Remember kindness. Kindness is something that you should show others. Remember that you are not the only one dealing with regret in this world. Show compassion to others in hopes that it will be returned to you one day. However, you also need to show yourself kindness. While you have regret, that does not mean that you don't deserve things. A break, a bouquet of flowers, a compliment. Remember that above all else, everyone deserves compassion. Regret can be an overwhelming burden. The emotions that come up with it can tip the scale against your favor. Work through these tips, keeping an open mind and a focus on allowing yourself to move past your emotions and past events. You deserve to be free of your regret.